is half a power player. There's a call every month that invites everybody to the power player call, and the 5 and 2s get to show up 2 months on that call at 5 and 2. You got somebody that's a power player, and so now you've got duplication, because the secret to success in anything, wealth, is you got to have the power compounding and duplication. And that's what the Power Player program does. It walks people through step by step everything that you need to have a business that duplicates. And once it duplicates, then that's where you get the explosive and exponential growth. But until you start going Power Player, you're not going to have that duplication. And so what I just say is, man, get CDs in people's hands. I'm trying to get packs in people's hands now more than ever, because sometimes you can get self-deceived in thinking the video might sponsor them, but that doesn't turn them into a leader. They still got to get into the books. They've still got to get into the top 10 packs that teach them how to build the business. And if we're not moving those tools through the group, then we're missing the big leverage point. We've become the magic, or we've stopped it where the video became the magic to sponsor them, but it's not the magic to continue to get duplication. And so we got to move packs into the group. I think that's the secret to power players. People have to be listening to the art of promotion. You know, Total Access is a great program, but it's not a good program if people don't show up to the events. And there's a CD in Pack 5 that Chris and Terry Brady made. That's still one of my favorite CDs. It's the staple. You should know it inside and out. It's called The Art of Promotion.